all find a place, go and construct a pandal, and you apply for getting the donation for the pujas. How much are you getting the fund from the state? Are you getting or not?
That I have to seek instruction, my lord.
Your client has not given you this much of instruction.
My lord, will kindly look at this, my lord. This to the secretary.
Secretary of whom?
The application permission is granted.
No. You tell me whether you are getting permission for the puja fund.
Permission for the puja fund. Permission for the puja fund.
The fund, the state government fund, are you getting?
Perhaps not, my lord.
Perhaps not. Page 24, please come. There is a photograph. Submission is that in fact, the photograph shows that there is a pandal constructed and the puja will be conducted over here.
My ingress and egress are these doors and these
Well,
have
ingress and
blocked
egress has been kept
entirely.
open. 24. My lord, ingress and egress, my lord, we also have a photograph, my lord. Let us just present it. And my lord,
Please
here
show.
is the, yes. So we go dekhao.
With a copy.
Copy dao. My lord, we will supply, my lord. Here is the permissions also, my lord, for the 13 years. My lord, this is the 13th year of the puja, my lord.
Show me how you can get permission to perform the puja on somebody's private land when there is an objection raised.
My lord, it is not on the private land, my lord.
Is this land is a public pathway?
My lord, it is, my lord.
Show me.
It is. My lord, photograph is there. My lord, the photograph, my lord, will kindly.
Photograph will not suggest whether it's a public pathway or not.
My lord, here, my lord, they are also relying on photographs, my lord.
Yes, their claim is that it is the private passage. You say that this is a public passage.
My lord,
How?
My lord, that part, my lord, their access is being made there.
Access only to the members of the families who stay over there. It's for them.
My lord, it is there. My lord, access is being done. Access is being made, my lord. My lord, access is being made.
Till you can satisfy that you can perform the puja over there, the court is going to interfere.
My lord will see my permission, my lord. My lord, my permission has been granted, my lord.
By the state authority. Who's for the state? What is your submission?
My lord, my report says that this is a passage which is maintained by the HMC.
Maintained by the HMC. Whose passage is this?
My lord, HMC, my lord, it's maintained by
The HMC is saying no, and you say it's HMC's passage.
maintained by the HMC. And my report says it is a road, bi-lane road maintained by the HMC.
That is something else. HMC is saying it is not the corporation's lane.
My lord wishes I can bring the deeds of my purchase.
I'm for the distribution company.
What has happened?
I made an accident on Saturday.
Made an accident before the puja?
জমিটা প্রাইভেট পাবলিক ল্যান্ডের উপরে তার সামনে প্যাসেজ আছে পোস্টারটা নিয়ে আনা তাহলেই তো
Yes, has sent objection. We have inspected and it was also fabricated. Extremely close to the fabrication panel. Just below. No, but this is something different. Who is instructing you?
This is Inspector in charge, Jogasha Police Station.
How does he get to know? Let me see who is the owner of the land.
My lord,
That will clear it out. The owner of the land. We don't have
কমন প্যাসেজ পক্ষ বলতে ওদের প্রাইভেট ইজমেন্টালি ওই জানলা ফাল্লাগুলো বন্ধ হয়ে গেছে যে ফটোগ্রাফটা আছে ওদের জানলা ফাল্লা ক্লিয়ারলি দেখা যাচ্ছে হচ্ছে আমরা ওটা দেখি মধ্যে তো
permission. Some permission
এই তো এই যে পারমিশন
Paragraph number 3, you see, it is mentioned for the organization of the puja, the private respondent applied for temporary use of the government land. Where from did he conclude that this is a government land?
before the BLLRO, Bali.
Please read what is there. For temporary use of the government land before the BLLRO and the permission was granted. What does this mean? Where from the police got to know that this is a public land?
পারমিশনের মধ্যে পারমিশন
Yes, you do not have anything.
My lord, me, my lord.
Yes, yes, private respondent.
My lord, private respondent. My lord, my case is that it's a
Anywhere
public-
you all find a place, go and construct a pandal and you apply for getting the donation for the pujas.
My lord, it is
How much are you getting the fund from the state?
Well,
Are you getting or not?
my lord, that I have to seek instruction, my lord.
Your client has not given you this much of instruction.
My lord will kindly look at this, my lord. Just to the secretary. My lord,
Secretary of whom?
in
Hey,
response to the
BLR
application,
দিচ্ছে।
permission is granted.
No, you tell me whether you are getting permission for the puja fund.
ডিএলআরও দিচ্ছে দাদা
My lord, permission for the puja fund. Permission for the puja fund.
The fund, the state government fund, are you getting?
My lord, perhaps not, my lord.
Perhaps not. Very good. Then where from are you collecting the money for conducting the puja? Who is giving you?
My lord, the way we do, my lord, we have a chada and subscription, my lord.
Chada and subscription.
My lord, that is
And that is sufficient for the pujas. Right?
my lord, my lord, that is what my instruction, my lord, is.
Sir, you all cannot just go and do it in this manner.
My lord,
It is their claim is that this is a private property. What is the corporation stand?
ডিএলআরও দাদা এটা বলছে দেখুন না ডিএলআরও এখানে কি বলছে দেখুন এটা
Corporation cannot give permission.
my lord will kindly my lord, read the-
May I submit one thing here,
my lord
Lordship?
will
Yes.
This passage is an entirely private passage. What the club has done, they have taken initiative to make the HMC make a concrete road on that passage, Your Lordship. Hence, they say it's a HMC maintained.
might still see the report, my lord, the A of the report of the BLR. Eta dao,
The report of the BLRO.
my lord, this is to the secretary, Jagacha Shubhit Brindo. My lord, this is from the BLR.
What does the BLRO say?
My lord, it says, in response to the application, permission is granted for temporary use of the government land. Payment of rupees 125 days paid at the office of the concerned BLRO office, online payment as per provision, rule 477, 481 of the WBA
Right.
Municipal Act, subject to
Tell
condition.
me, show me that this is your private property. Where from do you say that it's a private property?
Lord, I have a deed, Your Lordship. It has not been annexed, my Lord.
Yes. Is it your case that, see, the construction of the pandal is not going to infringe upon any of your rights?
So, all I say is like we are not objecting to the puja also.
All
We are
right.
saying just ingress and egress should be granted to us, and the level of the pandal should be reduced because it is covering the entire ground floor. And what they have done is the material that they have used is highly inflammable. My kitchen is at my Lord kindly takes up the picture that has been annexed. The kitchen ends where the pandal ends. Page 25.
But then
Your Lordship.
reducing the height of the pandal is going to create other problems.
My Lord,
There
my-
will be mass gathering. With such low height, if something happens, then
my Lord, my
both
ingress and
ways,
কোন কোনো objection
ingress and egress.
kindly let them
My
make
lord,
it
I
with
have-
something which is eco-friendly. Your
My lord,
Lordship.
this is
If
what is-
fire gets out of my kitchen and hits the top of the pandal, there will be a calamity, Your Lordship.
The puja, the organizers will ensure that they serve you food, so you are not required to
My lord, I will,
operate
I
your
will, my lord,
kitchen.
I'll ensure that, my
Not
lord.
Your Lordship.
My lord,
Right?
my lord,
And
You
my
cannot operate your kitchen; they'll provide food to you.
I will ensure.
This is your problem.
and then my ingress and egress has been
My lord, that
stopped.
has been kept open, my lord. We'll see the photographs I've supplied.
What they are
My lord, the ingress egress is there, my lord. My lord, the entire process endeavor is to, my lord, to be a clog in the wheel. My lord, for 13 years I'm doing the puja. Never it came up. It's only after the
limited to
petitioner's son
kind
was
of
got.
construction.
My lord, FIR was made against the petitioner's son because they broke one of our ambulances. My lord, it is out of, my lord, vendetta, my lord. I did not want to submit these things, but my lord, with the submissions that are being
Kindly
made,
takes
my
up
lord,
page
reducing the
23A once the gap that has been left between the premise
and my lord will see the real,
Pandal,
my
Your
lord, response of the BLRO. If my lord kindly peruses it once, my lord will have a clear picture of what is happening, my lord. My lord, they are not claiming that the land is there.
If you say that the problem is with your kitchen, the private respondent will ensure that you are not required to open the kitchen for these days, and they'll take care of
My lord,
your
we will.
all your dietary
We will,
needs.
my lord. I give that on
And the puja organizers can be directed to ensure that your access is not
my
hindered.
lord, that is also there.
Well, kindly seize this
What?
picture, Your Lordship. This is the
Which
window,
page?
page 23A of the writ petition.
23A of the writ petition.
Well, they just want to scuttle it, my lord.
This is the window and this is the pandal. Nothing can be opened, your lordship. It is throughout the ground floor. This is the situation.
23A, the window is blocked.
Entire ground floor window is blocked this way, your lordship.
So you have to provide air conditioners and air coolers so that the ventilation is there for all the days of the pujas.
My lord.
আরে এয়ার
Give it.
কন্ডিশন
How will they provide air conditioner to my
Air
premises?
coolers they can provide.
Sir, my petitioner is a 65 years old
My
lady
lord,
and her husband is 85 years old.
my lord, this is being done.
The ventilation has been stopped, your lordship.
এফআইআরটা দাও কোথায় আছে বার করো my lord,
See, you can
Shall I
open
stand?
you can open your window. You are
My
not
door also
open.
opens on this passage, your lordship. It has
The
been stopped.
জজ সাহেবকে দিন এটা
please come.
my
The
lord,
petitioner.
Well, kindly appoints a special officer who can go and visit the premises. Then all these disputes will go, your lordship.
very well, I am not shying away from it.
The petitioners claim that not claim but alleges that the private respondent number 9 and its members, being the respondent numbers 10 to 12, are performing Durga Puja over the private passage of the petitioners
My lord,
without
my-
obtaining any permission
এইটা একটু দিয়ে দেন।
from the owners of the passage. Stop. It has been submitted that the ingress and egress to the property has been blocked by the pandal. Stop. The window of the property has been also blocked. Stop.
Your lordship, the door has
The-
also been blocked.
my lord, the photographs my
The
also there my lord.
ventilation to the there is no ventilation to the property. Stop. The petitioner number 1 is aged about 65 years and the husband of the petitioner number 1 is aged more than 75 years. Stop. The passage is a very narrow one and the ambulance cannot also enter in the passage in the event there is an emergency. Stop. Paragraph. It has been submitted that the pandal has been constructed by highly inflammable materials. Stop. The kitchen exit of the petitioner has been blocked and in the unlikely event of a fire, there will be